Okay, in this video what I'm going to show you is the head unit and where it's got to fit in the front fascia board and what I'm going to have to do. Okay, so the head unit I've got is a Kenwood. It's a double-din, and that's the model number there. It's one of the latest ones. There's your outputs for your amps. And you got four, believe it or not, 4 camera plugins, so you can have 4 cameras on this unit. But anyway, let's get back to this fascia board. Okay, so what we have to do, this actually fits pretty snug in here, except for just down in this area here. So when I line it up, you can see it fits really good. Just needs to knock about 2 mil off this area here. So what I'm going to do is I started filing it back along the lip, as you can see, but it's getting a bit thin on the edge here. So what I'm going to do, because I don't want to lose that edge, I'm going to fiberglass up on the inside here where I rubbed it and build up a couple of mil, maybe 3 mil of fiberglass along here, and by doing that then I'll be able to file this edge down, get it nice and neat, and then this fascia board will fit snug in there. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll see you next time. Okay, I've finished cutting out, or should I say filing, all these edges out around here, and they're nice and straight. And if I just show you now, got the head unit here, I'll put this head unit and put it straight on top. It fits beautifully. It fits perfect. So I've taken that plastic off just to make sure, but I want to keep it on so I don't accidentally scratch the screen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in to the dash just to make sure everything fits and it's not hitting anything. Okay, I've just put the facial part of the dash back on. It's not installed 100%. I have put all the bolts in, down there and down there. This is fitting nice and flush. All I've done is just sticky taped it in, and there's another bit of tape down here which is just holding that flush against the fascia board there, and it fits perfect. So that what I've done, filed all those edging out, is perfect. So we've done the mock-up. Now it's time to get fair dinkum and make sure it's going to be 100% secure, and it's going to fit 100% inside this area here. No gaps. I want it sitting better than factory. Alright, and just before I take this out, I just wanted to make sure that everything fitted properly, so I just put this in just to make sure, and yeah, everything fits perfectly. It's a nice snug fit up here. It all fits down here perfect. All down here perfect. There's just one thing that I need to do while I'm fiberglassing again, is there's this gap right there. If I grab my ruler hard to see, but I'll stand back a bit. Looks to be about a 4mm gap, which I'm not real happy with. Comes around here too. It's about 3mm there, about 3mm. So I will bring those gaps, bring that fiberglass up to cover them gaps. Everything else seems pretty good. So yeah, I'll do that as well. Seeing I'm a bit of a perfectionist, as you can tell. Alright, see ya. Alright, all I'm waiting for now is these side plates, which you can buy from Meta. They're side plates which fit on the side, help you line up your head unit so you can get it exact. But yeah, it's about a day or two away and I'm happy to use them, but I've come up with a better idea. So what I've done, or what I'm going to do, and I've just checked it to make sure that it fits, which it does, is I'll just turn this around and I'll just lay it on its side. Is once again I've got some perspex boards, and you can see I've screwed them into where they go using the original bolts for the Kenwood. And what I'm going to do is fiberglass this plate here, and then I'll put an extra piece on here to make it extra strong, and I'll do the same to the other side. Done that, it's secure. I've got to fiberglass it in down here, and then this will be as strong as a rock. This will fit so flush, it's not funny. There's going to be no adjusting, pulling it in and out or anything like that. Just bolt it in once and that's it, it's done. So I'll be back once I fiberglassed all those pieces in. Okay, I finished fiberglassing my side plates in. As you can see right here, they're all fiberglassed in. Right there, got the 2 bolts holding them in. So if I undo these bolts, which this one's already undone, and undo this one. So we're going to have 4 bolts holding it in all up. This one. They're not very long, but they should still do the trick. Now if I pull this out, there you go. The head unit is out, and I have my homemade brackets. How's that? Wonder if anyone's done that before. I like thinking outside the box. But yeah, look, they're as strong as. They've only been fiberglassed together for probably about 2 hours at the moment. It's pretty warm over here in Australia at the moment in summer. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to drop some resin into these corners just to make it extra strong, and in here as well. And then that head unit, it's ready to put in. Well, after I finish painting it, that is. I'm going to rub all this back down now. You can see all that sort of scratched up paint everywhere. It's just old and tatty. So I'm going to fix that corner I was telling you about. Put a bit of fiberglass in that corner. Now I've just got to sand it back and mould it all up again. That shouldn't take too long. But yeah, it's all done. Happy with that. There it is again. Beautiful. Now if you need to put in a 2-din head unit, that's all you got to do. Probably cost me, I don't know, probably $2.50 all up in a couple of hours worth of time. Alright, there you go.